Hey traders! Welcome back to Trade with Yunex, your home for real-time crypto and Forex insights. We've got a major CPI release coming out of Australia, and trust me, this is the kind of data that could send the Australian dollar to US dollar and other Aussie pairs flying or crashing. Let's break down why this number matters, what the market is expecting, and how you should position yourself ahead of this big event. The Consumer Price Index, CPI, measures inflation, and the quarterly figure, CPI quarter over quarter, is especially important for Australia. Why? Because it directly affects the Reserve Bank of Australia's, RBA, decision on interest rates. If inflation is running hot, higher than expected, it gives the RBA a reason to raise interest rates, which is bullish for the Australian dollar. But if inflation cools down too much, that weakens the case for further rate hikes, and the AUD could drop like a rock. Right now, analysts are forecasting a slowdown in CPI growth, possibly dropping from the previous quarter's 1% to around 0.7% or 0.6%. If the actual number beats expectations, let's say we get a 1.1% or even 1.2%, the AUD could rally sharply against the USD, JPY, and Euro. But if we see a surprise drop, anything below 0.5%, expect AUD/USD to break support zones and potentially dip back toward recent lows. AUD-sensitive pairs like AUD/NZD, Australian dollar to Japanese yen, and Australian dollar to Swiss franc will also be in play, so keep them on your radar. Let's talk strategy. If CPI comes in hot, watch for a breakout above Australian dollar to US dollar 0.6800 with a target toward 0.6900. If CPI disappoints, we could see a breakdown below 0.6680 and a run toward 0.6600 or lower. For scalpers, the initial 15-minute candle post-release will be volatile. Use tight stop losses or wait for a pullback and structure your entry based on momentum. So to all my Forex warriors out there, this CPI release is not one to ignore. It's not just another number. It's a signal from the market on where the AUD is headed next. Stay sharp, manage your risk, and don't forget to hit subscribe, smash the like button, and turn on your bell because this week's Aussie data could be a game changer. This is Yunex, keeping you one trade ahead. See you in the next one.